morning movers, what you should be looking at. Scarlett's Food not in today. Michael McKee helping out. Mike, what do you have?
Wow, we've got some good news about a company that hasn't seen much lately. Research in Motion up about 15%, now was up 18%. National Bank Financial says new BlackBerry 10 phone sales should be better than expected. It goes on sale in February, we think. They've pushed it back a couple times, but at the moment, looking good for RIM.
RIM trying to stay in the game. I'm watching the euro dollar. It's not as quiet in European trading as it is here in the United States. Mario Draghi speaking in Frankfurt. German business confidence came out with a surprise gain, and we're looking at the euro just around 129. It is stronger against the dollar. In fact, we're looking at a 3-week high.
Well, if you were going to have better economic news in Germany and you were going to have a banking union, which Mario Draghi was talking about, might be good for Deutsche Bank, and Deutsche Bank is benefiting this morning. The stock up about 1.6%. Not a huge move, but the best performer in Europe at the moment.
Very good. Let's look at the question of the week. Time for that. Of course, at B Surveillance, you can send in your question on economics, finance, and investment. Anything else goes as well. This is a smart question on the equity risk premium, the amount of noise out there and the good feeling for risk. The equity risk premium has gone up due to dysfunctional fiscal situations in the United States. Where would equity valuations go if we stabilize, if we get through December and through January?
In other words, what's the U.S. stock market worth if we take out all the noise from the fiscal cliff? Tom,
I'm sorry,
to
me the uncertainty clears. I have to be optimistic if we get through these fiscal challenges.
Well, it's going to be a several-step process, as Anthony Crescenzi said, depending on what they get. But yes, we could see a big move to the upside if we get through this. People are optimistic.
And I go back to John Manley, who's the chief equity strategist from Wells Fargo, who says it's the equity market, the vigilantes this time, that aren't going to let the politicians get away with this.
But isn't the heart of this that there's a new polarity between the gloom crew and the optimism crew? I don't see that many people in the middle. I see a real decision being made by strategists one way or the other.
Well, and then they'll tell you they really don't know what's going on because there's so much uncertainty premium about the fiscal cliff.